Hi guys, in this videos we are gonna be checking out the top 10 best baguette pans in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. Hansel Baguette Pans. This baguette pan will make sure there will be better safety as it is free from harmful substances. It is in perfect shape so that there can be easy handling. Moreover, it helps to accelerate even heat due to the carbon steel material. Additionally, it lets you have a hassle-free operation as it comes with perforations that allow the air to escape. It provides you crisp and golden bread and has white applications. Furthermore, this makes a perfect gift for any baking enthusiast and is suitable for everyday purposes. With this, you can maintain.
If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below.
Number 9. Baguette pan for baking. Providing you with many options, here is a baguette pan that comes in a perforated design. The intelligent design of the product will make sure that there will be fresh and delicious bread. Moreover, it has a non-stick coating so that there will be easy cleaning. Additionally, it comes with improved heat conduction as it has a high-quality carbon steel construction. You will also find a non-toxic coating, making it an eco-friendly product. Furthermore, it allows you to clean it in a dishwasher and have a better advantage. Number 8. Master Feng Baguette Pan. The durable construction of this baguette pan will make sure there will be value for money. It is composed of high carbon steel and comes with a non-stick coating so that there can be an easy food release. The product has superior strength as it comes in a specially formulated design. With this, the moisture can escape perfectly. Additionally, it has better heat resistance so that there can be amazing results. It lets you use it conveniently and of great baking fun. Furthermore, this has. Number 7. The Baguette Pan. This one comes in a 4-loaf design so that you can prepare multiple attempts at a time. It lets you have a hassle-free operation as it is in a multifunctional design. Additionally, the baguette pan is composed of high-quality carbon steel and is exceptionally durable. The product has better strength and comes with small holes that help to release air. Moreover, it has a non-stick surface so that there can be superior results. Furthermore, it lets you clean it conveniently and is suitable for everyday purposes. It is safe to use and can resist height. Number 6. Metallic French Bread Pan. If you are looking to have crisp and golden bread all the time, then this can't the perfect one for you. This comes with superior heat conduction and makes sure there will be even beating. Moreover, the baguette pan is composed of premium quality aluminized steel and is very durable. In this you will find a non-stick surface so that there can be easy cleaning. It has dual non-stick coating, making it deliver exceptional performance. Additionally, it offers you many options and is in a perfect size. Furthermore, the product can be suited. Number 5. Mini Baguette Baking Pan. Available in a unique design, here is a baguette pan that comes with a platinum silicone mold. This is very reliable and you don't have to use oil. Additionally, it comes in a durable design so that there can be value for money. Moreover, it is in a roll pan design so that there can be better air circulation. It offers you better convenience and has white applications. Furthermore, you can even use it in a microwave or oven and have a better advantage. Number 4. IoT Non-Stick Baguette Pan. With outstanding heat resistance of 232 degrees Celsius, this one is composed of food-grade material. The baguette pan will make sure that there will be superior conduction and it is very durable. Additionally, it comes in a perforated design that can improve circulation. It offers you crisp and golden brown crust and makes sure there will be no value for money. Furthermore, it comes in a versatile and you can even use it for commercial purposes. Moreover, Number 3. SA Pan Baguette Bread Pan. The aluminized steel construction of this baguette pan will make sure that you use it for a long time. It is safe to use and does not include BPA. Moreover, it makes sure there will be amazing crusts and it is free from PFOA. Additionally, it gives you the option to use it for different purposes and have a better advantage. The product also has easy maintenance and you can release the food effortlessly. This is a highly reliable product and you can even. Number 2. Metallic Commercial 2 Baguette Pan. Using this baguette pan will allow you to have crisp and golden brown bread all the time. This comes in a perfect size, making it ideal for every family. Additionally, this will make sure there will be even baking as it has amazing heat conduction. With this, there will be improved air circulation and it is composed of high-quality aluminized steel. You will also find a non-stick dual coating for easy release. Moreover, this will let you clean it in a dishwasher and have better convenience. It can be suitable for everyday purposes and offers you many options. Number 1. Belly non-stick perforated baguette pan. To make sure there will be an exceptional performance, this one has a non-stick construction. The baguette pan comes in a dishwasher cefedicin so that there will be easy cleaning. Moreover, it has an environmental coating making it a reliable product. It comes in a versatile edison as it lets you prepare different items. Additionally, the product is composed of thicker material so that there can be long-lasting use. With this, you can have crisp baguettes as it lets the moisture escape. Furthermore, it has an improved temperature resistance of 446 degrees Fahrenheit and
Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.